Hi guys, this is my small collection of Godzillas. I know I call it small. We're gonna rank it from top 10. Let me just count if this 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, they're 10. Okay, let's just do a top 5 then. This is definitely number 5. Number 4, 3, 2, and finally 1. That is my first NECA figure that I actually hold on for quite a while now. I am so happy that I still hold on to this guy, although he lost his arms. My least favorite. Bruh. Well, yeah, let's flood. So, this guy is not good at balancing. Who is my least favorite? It's gotta be no one. My mid section is this guy. He lost his tail. What's the most current Godzilla product that I bought? This guy. Yes. A fake, not Playmates. By the way, credits to Playmates, make good molds. This is not a Playmates, for which it just looks like one. This is also not a Playmates. This is what I call fake Kong. This is what I call headless Ghidorah. This is who I call Millennium Godzilla. This is my favorite because his design is top tier. Who is my, has a bunch of accessories? This guy. He had accessories but just lost it. Yeah, he was alternate hands. I don't know why. And it was even which color. Not colored right. This has one accessory. Actually, the seller gave me 2 Godzillas. I just gave it back, but I still have the one Atomic Breath. So I use it for Shimo. But you may be asking, I think there's someone missing. Godzilla 2014, yeah, I did not add him. Yeah, he is not great. I just tell you that when it comes to them big monsters, I like them. Until now, I still like them. These guys are so awesome. By the way, I have one disclaimer thing to you. Viewers, what the hell is on top of my camera? Who is this guy? I remember filming with him, but how did he get up there? Well, that is all my reviewings. I still have more Godzilla figures, but I just can't show them because it is literally flooded. As you could see, I'm still filming because I want your guys' attention because I like making videos for you guys. So probably by the next day you won't see me upload because it is super baha. Just remember guys that I will always keep uploading videos on a daily basis. If it what the hell is even basis? I don't know English that much, but I'll keep uploading no matter what. But if I'm not uploading guys, that means it's flooded. Thank you for all listening until this long. See you in the next upload. Washu!